seagull.
It's a pelican.
Yeah.
Ew, its eye is like sticking out.
Its eyes are gone. The birds eat the eyes first.
Ew! Allison, why are you using my phone? Seriously.
Ew!
Ew!
Ew! Die!
You missed completely, Alex. It's already dead! We should bury it.
It's so disgusting.
We should.
Let's bury it.
Not holding it. Not
Why
like.
not? We can just put sand over it.
The maggots!
Take video of it.
I'm gonna set it as your background.
Alright, Allison, you do that.
We should say, "Here lies Birdie."
That we didn't even know. This is crazy, yo. When are you walking along the beach and then you just see a dead pelican? I mean, it's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Let's bury it.
No, guys, stop, hold on, I gotta get a picture of it.
I want to bury him.
Say cheese. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Say cheese.
Say cheese. Damn. We'll let the decomposers take over after we bury it.
They can find him. His head's gone now.
Ew, it looks like it's a headless bird.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
It's a headless bird! Ew! What are you doing, Allison?
Setting it as your wallpaper.
Oh shit. Wait! Wait, I just cussed. We can't put this on YouTube. Come on, Allison, help!
I am.
Me and Alex.
Bad for the bird. How did he die?
Starvation!
Yeah, he's like fat. There.
Unless all the birds ganged up on him.
Fat people don't die. It takes like a month. I'm sorry, Albert.
Now the bird is almost completely buried. We gotta each March. What's today, guys?
Still want to step on it.
It's March 8th.
Every March 8th, we have to come here and pay our respects.
I need it right there. Okay, let's go.
You can't even read it, Alex. It's like some kid comes in and buries it because he's
Watch
just
out.
or some.
Let me see my phone, Allison.
I said, "Here lies Birdie."
You can't even read it.
Alright.